Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to increase your Opera News article views and earnings. Step 1. Write original, high quality content every time. Opera's own guidance is explicit. Original content with an interesting premise gets prioritized by their AI recommendation algorithm, and the better the content, the better your earning potential. Copy paste or likely paraphrase articles get a much lower payout multiplier. So this is the single biggest lever you have. Step 2. Fix your titles and clean up your writings. Opera's algorithm reward content that is informative, credible, and free of grammar or spelling errors, especially in titles. Avoid clickbait phrasing. Opera's review system flags misleading or all-caps titles. It can get your article rejected or your account penalized. Step 3. Post consistently and use relevant tags and images. Daily posting is a key to building visibility. Cover images should generally match your headline and body content, and tagging articles to the right category helps the algorithm distribute them to the right readers. Step 4. Time your posts and promote them yourself. Several creators guides suggest posting in the evening, since that's when Nigeria readers have more than time to browse. Though this isn't something we can actually say it happens, but sharing your published article link on WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social right after publishing can drive an initial click boost that helps the algorithm pick it up further. Step 5. Track your dashboard and double down on what works. Opera Content Library tab show impression, clicks, and share per article. Use this to see which topics in your fintech niche are actually converting and lean into those angles for future scripts rather than guessing. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to increase your Opera News article views and earnings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.